Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can design the second part of the connecting rod of the V12 car engine in the part design workbench of CATIA.
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solving Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the start, mechanical design, then part design, then you click on OK. Next you click on the XY plan, then you click on sketch. You draw a circle. The first circle will be 38mm circle. And the second circle will be a 70mm circle. Okay. Now I'm gonna click on this line. I'm gonna add a line like this. The distance between this axis and this line will be 30mm. I'm gonna click on this line, then mirror command, then using this axis. I'm gonna add another line like this. Now I'm gonna use the quick trim command. I'm gonna remove this part of the circle, this part of the line, this part of the line, this. I'm gonna double click again. This, and this. Like this, one by one. You need to concentrate a little bit, like this. Now, I'm gonna add another circle of 52mm. Okay. Now I'm gonna add another line like this. I'm gonna use the quick trim command again. I'm gonna remove this part of the circle, this part of the circle, this part of the circle, and this part of the circle, this part of the line, this part of the line, and this part of the line. Okay. Then I'm gonna exit the workbench. I'm gonna create a pad of 5.5mm, then mirror extent, then you click on OK. Great. I'm gonna click on this face, click sketch. I'm gonna draw a circle of 42mm. I'm gonna click on this part, on this edge, project 3D elements. I'm gonna add another line like this. I'm gonna use the quick trim command again. I'm gonna remove this part of the circle, this part of the line, this part of the line, this part of the line, then I'm gonna exit the workbench, okay? I'm gonna create a pad of 3mm. Then I'm gonna go and use the mirror command to mirror this pad using the XY plan like this. Then click on OK. Okay, now I'm gonna go and add a hole on this part. Then you click on positioning sketch. Okay, the distance between this axis and this point will be 26mm. I'm gonna click on the control, this edge, then this point. I'm gonna click on this command, then equidistant point, then OK. I'm gonna exit the workbench. The diameter of the hole will be 5mm, and from blind to up to next, then you click on OK. Now, click on the hole, then mirror it command using the YZ plan. Then you click on OK. Great. Now I'm gonna go and use the edge fillet command. I'm gonna add the radius of the fillet will be 2mm. Click on this edge, then this edge, then you click on OK. Next, you click on the chamfer. Click on this edge, this, and this edge, one by one like this. Okay. Or take your time, like this. Then you click on OK. So as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can create the second part of the connecting rod of the V12 car engine in the part design workbench of CATIA. Thanks for watching.